Have you ever been in a meeting where someone keeps talking and talking and talking, and halfway through you realize you still have no idea what their point is? Now, if you're listening to this message and you're thinking, I don't know anyone like that, you know what? It's a good chance it might be you. Hi, my name is Catrice Miller, Executive Career and Leadership Coach, as well as nationally recognized labor relations leader. Today, we are going to speak on the topic of saying less in order to say more. Here's the problem. Many professionals dilute their message with unnecessary words. They believe if it's longer, it sounds smarter. If it's simple, it sounds less impressive. But the opposite is actually true. Extra words weaken your impact. Extra words create confusion. Extra words slow down your credibility. And before you know it, your point gets totally buried, your position is softened, and your authority, it just disappears. So here's the reality. Great communicators understand something most professionals miss. Precision builds authority. When your language is direct and confident, people assume you know exactly what you're talking about. But when you hedge and ramble and over-explain, that's a sure sign of uncertainty. And uncertainty weakens the leadership presence. So here's our strategy. Every time you speak, I want you to write down and ask yourself these questions. What is the shortest way to say this most clearly and get my point across? It's really that simple. I want you to replace long, hesitant language with direct, confident language. Here's an example. First, our weak version. I was kind of thinking that maybe we should consider updating our client response process because I feel like we might be falling behind. Now, here's a precise version of that. Our client response process needs updating. We're falling behind. I have a quick solution for us to review. See how simple that is? The first version rambles. The second one commands attention. So what's our takeaway for today? I want you to cut the words and add the weight. Follow my Leadership Quick Take series for more insightful ways of building communication skills and strengthening your leadership capabilities. Bye-bye.